Okay. You do there's a basic mating, right?
Right. Yeah, basic metric.
I just go to the assembly first. What's we done here right now? Just talk about this portion. I just uh, I just do one thing. I just show here. Okay. Basic mate we done here. Suppose here I just used to be insert some components for this part. Showing
Okay.
the for the minute. If you do as I do as a standard mate right now, as last class you also do this. Today we talk about the advancement. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So for the advancement, we have the first option is called as a profile center. What's the profile center is to? If I see here, I have a bolt. Okay. And then if
Okay.
you want to here, think some bolts here have an issues. I just delete this portion. Okay. Delete it. It is delete. Yes. I insert other components.
Okay.
I do. I do same thing I use it here.
Okay.
One is my net horizontal. Okay. And then one is my bolt. Okay.
Good.
Yeah, if you need it for this purpose, you can do as one thing also. You can, this is putting an issue. This is right. No worry about it. Okay. What does the profile center is do? If you see here, it's a profile center. It's my profile center. What's the profile center? Both are the have the profile center right here. If I select the profile center and then I want to map it, first of all, select this portion. Okay.
Okay.
Why this is not selected? One second. I think something is happening for this page. Late. Was it? For this part, you use, I think in drawing section, we have some issues. No worry about it. I use other one.
Okay.
Go to the pins, server, graphic methods. Yeah, this is the pins. Just use here, toolbox. Okay, the tools. Because we
Mm.
have the some basic tools are available also. Default tools
Okay.
are available also. Just select ISO. And then
Okay.
here I want to bolt and screws right here. Okay, here we have the bolt and screws. Here we have the nuts. And then
Okay.
here which type of example I want to use it here. Use any of the bolts. You can use step bolts, any place bolts you can use it. I just use
Okay.
and then drag. This is my ball.
Oh,
This is prepared ball right here, and then you can select your size here. Suppose M12. Okay, whatever size you want to do here. Okay, and just
okay.
you can do it yourself by using this way.
Okay.
Okay? So you can also do as well. I just open the part. Okay, this is my part right there. Okay, to show this,
Okay.
I don't need this here. This is too small. I think like this again. I delete it. I need other one. That's better for me. Uh, uh, mm, mm. Okay. I do this one.
Okay.
And here we have the option size. What's the size you want to show here? Suppose M24 I show here. And
Okay.
what's the length you want to show here? Suppose I say 120 mm. Okay.
Okay.
What's the length and then threading length? What you want to simplify it cosmetic, if you simplified it, this type of thing will be shown. If you cosmetic,
Okay.
this will be shown. Okay, where you have the length. Okay, and then if you want a schematic, then or this type of in the cosmetic we have to show here only the image of the thread, not the real thread will be created right there. If you use a schematic, then you
Uh,
got the real thread right here. Okay. And then if you want to increase your thread length, you can increase this thread length also. Okay,
okay.
I just created the thread as much, but and then this is schematic. This is my way. And then remember that I selected is the M24.
Okay.
Uh, I think cosmetic. Okay. M24 right there, and then length is 20 because M24 is matching with the other one, and then click on OK. This is my bolt right there. I just one bolt I need here. After that, I want to need here is a hex and nut right there. So I select as a nut.
So where you go first? You go to display design library or
Yeah, you go to the design library. Where you
okay.
first of go to this type of design library. You go to design
Okay.
library where you find out the some basic of
Okay.
the tools available. We don't need to
Okay.
be make it. Okay. But this
Okay.
is used for passing work if you need here. But it's not for you. First of try yourself to making this type of thing. It's better to you. If you need it, then you can use it. Okay. Just I use
Okay.
to this bolt also. Okay, and then I select here to M24 because I just select the M24 right. Okay, I just
Okay.
also go to the semantic. Okay,
Okay.
okay, that's all fine. Just click one. Okay, this one is created. I just need only one. That's why I just use it. After this,
Okay.
go to the match. I talk about not the standard match here. I just talk about the advancement. I do this thing by using the standard match also, but you need to be learn about the advancement. So
Okay.
first of all, we talk about the profile center. Just select the profile center. Okay. What the
Okay.
profile center is do? So first of all, select your profile center right there. Okay.
Okay.
This one is selected your profile as, and then after this, you select your profile here. This is right here. This
Okay.
is for the profile center where you got the profile points right here. Okay.
Okay.
And you see that here we have the profile. Okay. If you I just okay, and you see that. I just remove this portion and flip it. This will be do as well. Okay, but this will be not working right now. Then how can we work it? So this I click this again, profile center. Okay, and then flip dimensions, and then I just make its dimension is 20. Okay,
Okay.
this will be created as distance. I just flip it dimension is again to this will be shown here. Okay, and then if you want to lock the rotation, then rotation will be not done. If you want to not lock the rotation, then this will be done here, right there. Okay.
Okay.
Simply I click on OK, and then after that I just move it to see that here. So this will be done here, and this will be rotated here at this moment. Okay.
Okay.
On the profile center, we can directly select it and then center it. We don't need to be center your path and anything right there. Directly, we just use it and then center it right here. Okay. This is called a
Okay.
profile center. You can center it to object in the any positions right there, and then you can use it. That's clear.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, clear.
I use in this way. You can create this type of object.
Okay.
Okay. After that, in this case, we have the other types of mates here. Okay. Then here to be do that. And then in this case, we have by profile center, we have the semantic one also. What the semantic is to this would see as here. I just uh, I just for this part I want to make something. Okay. So first of all, I create one of parts as soon as possible. Create one. Go to any of plans you select here. Go to sketch, and then right here to the this one. After that, make is a dimension is your 250. That's good. And it's your 140. Okay. After that, exit my sketch, go to feature, extrude boss specs, And then what I do, I select here the mid plane. Okay. And then I increase it to 100, 200, 120, 130, 150. Okay, right there. But okay. This one is created right there. And then what I do want to do here, I want to make as hollow. This is called this is part as my it's a solid part, but I want to make as a hollow. So how to make the hollow? By using the cell.
Yeah.
You apply here 10 mm, and I don't select any faces right here. So just what to do, just click on OK.
Okay.
After this, you can select here and then see there here. This is my hollow portion inside it by 10 mm. It's each and every cases right there. Okay.
Yes.
After that, this will be done. I select this piece, go to sketch, and then sketch it. Okay. And one thing I also do, I just open my plane also. Okay, that's good. Okay, and then next one I want to do here to make a one of rectangle right here. This one is rectangle, and then after that make as a dimension. Suppose I take here the 80 dimension.
Okay.
And this one I take right the 140, right? At last, so this one is I take here the 120.
Okay.
And I just want to do I just increase this size by 100. Okay, that's good. After that, this will be done. And this is my sketch. Come to this portion, go to feature, cut axis. I use here. I just write there only 10 mm. I don't need to be extrude all the parts right there. I'm just using the 10 mm to make this type of portion. Okay.
Okay.
It look like as a door type structures right here. Just I insert here as a door also. First of all, I'll save it. This is look like as a container where we have to mark as a make as a door and then make it. I just save it and go to any portion. I just not a browser. I just save it anywhere. Okay. Just suppose here I want to see where his name is. Anything you're supposed to be named as name is container. I just name as a container. Okay. And save it. After that, I create here one thing also. I want to create here the door for where this part. Click on OK. Go to sketch. Select the front plane. Go to sketch. Make as a door. And then remember the dimensions. This is 50. So then I mark as a 50. This is my 120, right? So then you can say here 120. Right?
I think 100, right? Or
what?
100.
100. This distance. What's the distance?
100.
I think you say haven't yet. I think this will be created as right here. This one. This is 120, right? See that?
Yeah, one side is 120 and one side is 100.
Yeah, but I make as a half of that.
Okay.
This will be there, not it. Okay, just see that. See, come to this portion, part number 2. I just go to sketch. Okay, I done here. Then I can extrude both sides. And what I do, I just extrude this 10 mm only. Nothing will be going here. And then okay. After that, I save this file on the name of, I think I name is a door.
Okay.
But name is a door. And then I just close it. All the files. I don't need here to be show is this one. Okay, I just close it. This one also, but I don't need to be save it. Okay, next one I do here to be new, and then go to the assembly. I do as a assembly right here. And what I do? I do one thing. I select container and then also select the door. And click on. First of all, this is my container. And second of all, this is my door. Okay. If you differentiate it, then you can make a color, different color is there also for this part, but I don't differentiate right now because I know we don't have that much time to differentiate by using the color. If you need it, then what I do, just open this file, go to this portion or just open it, and then what you do, because if you make a different way, this is better for this part, right? And then if I can use a color, I apply the color on the whole body and then go to the body. This is better to showing the object. And just create here at this portion and click on OK. And then
Okay.
save it. Okay, then close it. Then what you see here, you got this type of color. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next one, what I do one thing. I suppose first of all I use the mate, simple mate. I use here standard mate right there. Okay, which one is already learned about it. What I want to do here, first of all I want to select this as and select this as. Okay.
Okay.
After that I make them as well as and then I'll click on OK. This one is created right away. Right now I just use this portion to upside, then move on it, but I don't want to up it side. I just fix it its position. Then what I do? First of all, select this one and select this one, and then this will be get and click on OK. That's it. Up right now, I just do this as like as a door. What is like as a
No.
door? That's it. Okay. After that, what I do again to make is again I just insert my component. One component I want to insert. The same components I want to insert is
Both sides. Okay.
okay. So for need is a both sides right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Same thing I do is for the mesh for this one also. So first of all, I select this as and then select. After this, same thing I do. Okay. And same thing I do. Just select this as and select this as. Okay. And click on OK. Right there, this was two doors I applied here, but I want to do one thing. If I want to do one thing, what is I want to do? If I want to one door I make as close, then another door automatically close as same as possible. Okay, this is semantic work on this behalf of this part right there. That's what I need here. So for this purpose, we need first of all we need is to open my planes because I needed the mid plane for this part. And select it, go to the my advancement and select this symmetric. If you click on symmetric right here, then you can select first of all your plane. What's the plane is it? Okay, first of all you select your plane. This is my mid plane. Remember that this is your mid plane. You can select here. And then what do you want to do? Select this anything where you want to ace first ace. And then same thing for this part, not two other parts. Okay, if you select this portion, then this would there. Then what you see here, both the angle are similar. If I click on OK, then I click to close the door one of them. Then what you see here, other door also will be closed. Right.
Okay.
Okay, this will be same. This is usually used for working the semantic on. To semantic mechanism you want to do by yourself, then this will be happening by using this way. One thing also I do here for this part, I just go to semantic and then I want to do one thing also. Go to this angle, not this angle I actually, I just go to, okay. And then I want to click on this length, limit angle. This is my limit angle. And then where you want to limit it the angle, entities to be met, reference entities. So I just select my entities of this one and reference to be entities. Okay. Okay. And select any faces of this portion right here. Okay. And after that, what I do? I just make is angle of this portion. This is my by default one. I just 150 is a limited angle, and closing angle as I take here is 0. And if you click on OK, then what you see here? My closing, and if you click is this will be closed, and this if you click is this will be open. This is limited angle right here. 150 degrees is limited to open and 0 degrees is limited to close.
Close. Oh, okay.
Okay. You can also set as limitation for this part also. That's clear? Okay, okay. Right. This way you can create this type of objects and then same mechanism you can use here by using the semantic one. You can by yourself right there.
So we need to, if we connected or we need to put some bolt and nuts on the side or we just.
Yeah, you can also do for this part also.
Okay.
Okay. That's clear?
Yes.
Then I just one thing also I explain same thing I want to do by using other way. I just what I do, I just not need to be limited angle. I just go to the mate again. I just select this mate. I delete these two mates. One of this mate. I also delete the mate. Another one is this mate.
Okay.
Another one of this mate. And another one of this mate. I delete all the mate right there because I don't need here. And I do explain one thing, and then I also delete this door. One thing I want to do here, so what I want to explain, I want to explain the mirror one also. Same thing for the symmetric, I want to explain as a mirror one. Here we have the linear components where you can want to linear your parts, circular, linear, anything you can want to linearize. In this case, we have the mirror components also. If you click on the mirror, this is my mirror plane. We have the mirror plane, and then mirror component is this.
Okay.
Again, if you click on OK, then once you find here, this is my mirror object will you find here. If I do the mirror as same as it and do one thing, I just draw close, same thing will work here.
Okay.
Okay. By using the mirror, you can also do as a symmetric one also.
Okay.
Just clear? After that, you can go to the mat. You can select your go to the advanced mat. Not for the by using, you can also have this type of option in your standard mat, but this is not working as lightweight. Okay, if you click on it, this will be showing you starting angle where you have to close and open your door. This is showing. That's why this will be not done by using this way. In this case, for the extra in your advancement, you can set your limits. Okay. Also, you set your starting angle and set your limit also by using this way. And then you can use this to 150 is your open limit, maximum limit, and then 0 is your minimum limit right there. Okay. And select what you want, where you want to have. I select this one. I select this one. I select this one. Okay. That's just one thing I do to security. And then I select this one.
Okay.
I think we do here the wrong way. I just come to the again, image, close it. So now do as a standard weight, go to the advanced weight, select your angle, and then select your minimum angle fixture.
Okay.
And here you can select your profile, this profile, and after that this profile. Okay, and this will be as a mirror. That's why this doesn't need here. And I write it 150 and the right here 0 degree. Okay, then click on OK. Right now we do as well. If you want to open it, this will be done and this will be right there. This simple way you create symmetric one. Just correct?
Yes.
Okay, come to the next one is my width. Okay, so how the width is what? Just I show you. Okay. This is just an example for you to make it what. Okay, let's do it. Okay, come to the next one. Just clear to you.
Yes.
I just because I don't save it. I go to another one. I make a two password. Okay. First of all, I make simple password. Go to sketch. Select the front plane. Select my circle. Make as a circle. This one. Set as dimension. This is my 20 mm. Okay. And this is my step. Go to PG actual boss press. Select this for make plane. Okay, just select 200. Click on OK. And then one thing I do here is to we make as a reference plane. Right there. Just open my planes. First my planes is now showing. So for the first plane, front plane I do here. And then reference is 25.
Okay.
Again, I use the reference plane. Select this one.
Okay.
Not the front plane. Plane number one, I don't want to say it. And then notch to this. I just select this one again. And then lift the offset. Same as this 25 mm. I just make a two plane sides here.
Okay.
This is way you can create it like this one. And then after this, I wash it. I just save it. And then also I just mark as a color for the body. To
Okay.
look different. Alright, this is good. Set this position. And name is a Lord.
Okay.
After this, I make close it this one. After that, I go to open new, click on new part, and here go this sketch, start with sketch, select my front plane. Here to do one thing, I just make here 1, 2, and make dimension is your 20 mm, and this dimension I make is a 40 mm. And then go to the this my sketch, go to the extrude boss place. This one is created. You can select it, the mid plane, and anywhere plane you can select it. The body what it. Just select here. It's 15 mm.
Okay.
Right? And click on OK. This one is created right here.
Okay.
And one thing I also do here, I just apply this color here to all the body. So any of color, I just apply this one color.
Okay.
After this, I selected this, go to sketch, to make as one small, then I go for the feature, so no space, select it, and I select 5 mm. Okay. And
Okay.
I think to understand. Just about it. Okay. And then here, what should I do? I just apply next one is color. I just apply both extrude base, different color.
Okay.
And this one color I apply here. Any color you
Okay.
can apply, just not to worry about the colors. Because
Yeah.
would want to the selecting the color. Okay. And this is my suppose I read things, and then anything you can say the name is a way also. And then you can name it. I just I
Okay.
close and then I do as a assembly. Go to the new, go to assembly, click on OK.
Yeah.
And here select this dot. And by user control, select this one also. Because I need import. Okay, just do it once. And after that, I also do as a, I start my plane because I need the plane also. First of all, I do as a mark as this portion. I just want to be do this portion. Then what I do, go to the mate, and then first of all, I select this one. And then one thing I also do is to set the control and then make them as a copy edit. Okay, paste the control and then drag and then click on it. This will make as a copy also. We don't need to be that component multiple times. Same component immediate and also we can create as a copy. Okay?
Control C, right?
Yeah. Paste the control and then drag. Click on the object and drag. And after that, where you want to paste it, just click on it. After that, you can drop your control. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Go to the mat. And then next one, I want to just make as this profile to this profile. First, you can see here. Select both of us well. Click on OK. And just check this one is working or not. Yeah, this one will work. Okay. After the same thing you can done by this object also.
Okay.
And click on OK and then check this one also works or not. This one will work. Okay. After process, I want to do this one is work for all the over things, but I want to limitation apply here to be not extend by this one and this one. Okay. This profile to this profile, this will be adjusted. Nothing doesn't go anywhere. Right here. Okay. So what I do for this purpose, we use here is a advancement, and the name is a weight. Click on the weight. First of weight selection. What's your weight is this? I have a limit of the plane one to this section.
Okay.
You can use anything. And after this, tab selection. Then this is my first phase. And same phase, you can select the opposite one. Okay, remember that. And here you can see here, by default here, you can see there to be shown this portion is in the mid of the section. Why mid of section? There we have the constant. If you see here, constant is centered. If you want to free, then this will work as free. If you do as center, then I just okay. This will be one to happen. You can move it on, but can't move on this direction to this direction. This will be on the align with the center. This will be better for the wheel alignment.
Okay. Okay.
We not make, I don't make it as a perfect wheel, but we align the wheel by using this wheel. You can make yourself as a perfect wheel and then align down on the axle by using this. Okay, that's it. That's why I make this portion to make as a rotated one. After that, I again do as a weight section. Select my weight for this part also to this portion. And then after this, select in the tab selection. The first one was selected this one, and then next one I selected this one. This will be object will be created right here. This is called the selection. If I use here the free and then click on OK, then what will be happen? I just make it, then what will be, this will be freely moved on and then also rotate. But if you want to do as center, okay, free to center, then this will align the center and then only rotate on the center part, not the freely to move on this part. Okay. And then if you want to make as a dimensions, right here, not the dimension, I just say the dimension, and then what's the dimension is I just use as a 0. Then this will be aligned if you can use here. Then what will we do? This is will be up to a plane one, and then this will be work on this part. Okay. 2, 1, 2. This will be work on this portion, right? But I don't need here. This what I do is and then align with the center only. You can also percentage. Percentage is same as like distance dimension, but in this case we have to do distance as like as a percentage treatment, right? But we needed the center is better. Okay, this one is there, and then this one is created right there. And if you want to create it, this will be created. Okay, and this will be also created right. Next. Okay. Then if I use the motion strategy, close the mate. If I have the motion strategy right here, and by this I use it. I use this as a motor. $100 RPM, constant speed. Okay, that's all okay. Then I just play it. Then what will you open? This will be moving as fast as well.
Okay, how to go the motion there?
Yeah, I just increase this 1x. Yeah, this is used by the motion strategy. Here we have the motion strategy. If you can assembly one, then you have the motion strategy part also. Okay. Okay, if you click on model, this is model part. If you click on motion strategy, go to the motion strategy. Select the speed, what the play speed you have, and after that select your motor one. Okay, which component you want to rotate is here. Select this one. Speed you can suggest 100 RPM, whatever it is you want to show here. Okay, and then click on OK. Okay. And just play it. Then here you can rotate this one. Okay, this one is rotated. Right. If I schematic one, schematic one, this portion, then this will be rotated also by using this way, but this will be not rotated as well. Okay. And if you play back more, no. And then if you want to save the animation, you can click on and save it also by the AVI file by using the motion. Okay. 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 This is just a way to show your motion right there. That's it.
Yes.
The simple one, you can just try this one time, then this will be happening. Right? That's clear to you? So what's the width mate is still? I think this part is clear to you.
Yes. Clear. Yeah, clear. True.
Okay, do as you one by yourself, then you can clear it. Okay. After that, we have other math option is there is my path math. If you see here the path math, what the path math is to in this math we can use here the path. Get I just selected this one and I want to make as a new. Go to the assembly one.
Okay.
Click on OK. In this section, I want to do. I just have some maths option also available. I just do is where is this is my example of part maths. I just okay. This one I use here, and in this case we have the another one is this. For
Okay.
this purpose, I want to show part math. Okay, and this one is okay. You remember that first object always will be shown as the and second object always is shown as like a moving part right there. But I want to fix this portion because first of all this will become. I just right click in on make as float. What you
Okay.
do if you fix it, fix this for this one was a fixed right now, but I want to float it because if you select first object, this will always will be fixed. Okay, and in this case, this portion will be fixed, but I want to make this as a rotated. Okay.
Okay.
Then I select it, right click on it and make as float. Right now I just float it. And I want to fix this portion. Not I don't need to be fixed. Move it on. Okay, just I select here and then right click on it and make as a fix. Because one object only always will fix in your assembly.
Okay.
Okay, this is better for you. Okay, after this, I come to this portion right here. And remember that if you want to do as a mate of the advanced mate here right there, and then I want to do here as a part mate, always this part will be make as form of 2D part, not a 3D. Okay.
Okay.
And then one thing also you remember that this part you want to do one thing, 1 second. All the part I select here, and then I want to make as a assembly. I want to show here symbol 1 second. Not explode here. Where is this? I can find out right now. This is MVD. Oh, 1 second. Where is this? 1 second. 1 second. Any features? Oh, no, explode. Okay, something is select this, and select this, and select the chain. Okay, I select the chain and right click on it. Okay, this is selected. Okay, chain is selected. Okay. Then first of all, do as one thing. I just want to do here to apply this one. Then go to the mate. First of all, select this field and select
Okay.
here we
Okay.
right it.
Okay.
And just this one we do. If I do one, I just up and down direction right here, and then this one is really do is right there. Then what I do one thing also, I just select this phase one and then select this phase two one, and then click on this one right here. Okay, this one is created. Okay, but I don't want to move it. I just this type of object will be do. The next one I do is I go to my advanced math and then select the path math. Okay. For path, component to be vertex. This is my component to be vertex where you want to vertexes. I just click this one vertex and path to be selected. Okay.
Okay.
Just remember that you can select only one path right there.
Okay.
Okay, something is busy right there. Right. I think some is having the issues. Okay. I think something is having an issues right here.
Okay.
I think something is missing right there. Hmm. I'll go to this one. Go to the advanced mate, power mate. Just again. Select the part. Hmm. Oh, this one is not working right now. Okay, something I do is wrong. Well, okay, okay. 1 second. Just to delete.
Okay.
Percentage is okay. Just delete this one also. Okay. Okay, this one is great. Because I just want to do as well. Okay, just go to the advanced mate, go to the path mat, select my vertex, and select my path. Okay. After that, I just move on it. This will be worked. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. This will be worked right there. And this will path because I just use them as a line with this, but this is not. Okay, if I select them, this is my free consent. If you use as a distance along the path, this is usually distance along the path. You have you know about the distance right there, then you can apply the distance about this. Okay, suppose here I want to do 20 mm,
Okay.
and then if you want to flip its dimension, you can flip it also. Okay,
Okay.
if you want to free and follow the path, okay, I just follow the path. Where you want to follow the path, you can just select here because this will be whatever you want to will be happen. If I just click on the free and then click on OK, then what will be happen? This will be worked, but here at this moment this will be created right here. I just click in again. I just want to denote the distance along the path. I just use a free. Okay,
Okay.
and then just but this will be happening right here. So what you do, pitch and yacht control you can
Follow.
use here anywhere. You can if you want to flip it, then don't flip it. Then but I want to show here as well. But just remember that you can exact it. Okay, and then also click on OK. If you click on OK, then this will be not move it right now, but this will be rotated this one. But this is not OK. Okay, and
Okay.
what I do for this purpose, you do here to go to the path mat and select the for control up to vertex. Okay,
Okay.
vertex is this. Okay, where you have the vertex. And I think okay. Click on okay. Up to vertex of this one. Just focus something. No, this is not just working. Because if you see here, this will be work act like is this portion. This will be follow the path, but this is act like this one. And this will be shown as this type of moment. Okay, there's as yesterday after tomorrow class I show you as well because I forgot something about that. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Okay.
Is all clear of this part? Other parts?